Hello friends, in this problem we have to solve for fx. You have been given that is fx square times f of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x is equals to x square. Then what is the function? What is fx? How will you do this problem? This kind of problem is generally done using substitution and manipulation. You see, in this case you have two arguments. One is x, another is 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. So we generally substitute for the arguments. In this case, the second argument is a complex argument, so we will substitute for this argument. So let us say we substitute t, so t is equals to 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. Now in the second step, what we have to do is we have to write x in terms of t. So let us multiply, cross multiply. So we will have t times 1 plus x is equals to 1 minus x. So this will be t plus tx. This is equals to 1 minus x. Now let us take the x term one side, that is left hand side. So we will have tx plus x is equals to 1 minus t. Now if you take x common, you will have t plus 1 is equals to 1 minus t. So finally you can write x is equals to 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t. So we will use this result and we will make this substitution. So let us substitute in this function. Let's call this equation as equation 1. So with this substitution we can write equation 1 as, so fx and x is basically 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t, and this is whole square, times f of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x, this is nothing but ft, and this side you have x square, and x is what? 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t whole square. Now this is true for all x, so what I can do is, this is true for all t, so what I can do is I can replace t with x. So if I replace t with x, I will have f1 minus t, let me write a little bit bigger, so this is f1 minus t divided by 1 plus t, and this is, I have to replace t with x, so this is x and this is also x, and a square of this times f of x, and this is equals to 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole square. Now let us call this as equation 2. Now you can see you have this term in equation 1 also. So this term, that is f of 1 minus x by 1 plus x, this term is here, and the same term you also have in equation 1, this term. So what we can do is, we can find the value of this term from equation 1 and we can substitute in equation 2. So now I can write, this is from equation 1. From equation 1, what we have? We have this, we can write f of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. This will be simply x square divided by fx whole square. Now let us plug this value in equation 2. So now from 2, what you can say? You can plug this value in equation 2. So you will have, so this is, this term, the first term, that is this term, will be x square divided by fx whole square, and then again whole square. And this times fx is equals to 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole square. So you see, we have eliminated everything. Now this equation has only fx, so this has only fx, and here also fx. So now we can solve for fx in terms of x. So let us try to do some simplification. So we will have, this is x4, and this will be again fx4 multiplied by fx. And this is 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole square. So one of the fx will cancel out. So we will have x4 divided by fx cube is equals to this thing, that is 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole square. So this is fx cube. So from here you can write, that is fx cube is equals to, let me write one more line, fx cube, this is equals to x4 divided by 1 minus x plus divided by 1 plus x whole square. And if you rewrite, then this will be x4 times 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x whole square. So now you know fx cube, then you can simply take the cube root. So fx cube is simply x4 and 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x raised to the power 2. Now taking cube root both sides, so we will have this side simply fx. So let me write this cube root once again so that you can understand. This is, so I am taking cube root, and this side also I am taking the cube root. 1 minus x whole square, and this power 1/3. Now you can use the rules of power. If you remember, if we have something like this, a raised to the x, or let me write a raised to the power m raised to the power n, this can be written as a raised to the power m times n. And also if we have a times b, or a raised to the power m, b raised to the power n, and raised to the power, let us say, x, then this can be written as a raised to the power m times x and times b raised to power n times x. So if you use these two rules, you can further simplify this expression. So this first becomes simply fx, and the left hand side is fx, and the right hand side will be x raised to the power 4 by 3, and this will be 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x raised to the power 2/3. So this is the function. Of course, in this case, x is not equal to 1, because if x is 1, then denominator will be 0 and the function will be undefined. So x is not equals to 1, that is, in the domain we can say all numbers are included, but not x equals to 1. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.